everybody, welcome back to Make It with Mod Podge. My name's Cathie and today I have a really cool technique to share with you. If you are looking to make in bulk for this holiday season, we're gonna create earrings using stickers. Now I'm using Grinch stickers here, but you can use any stickers that you like. I love these for the holidays. I'm using Mod Podge gloss to seal down those stickers to make these very durable and wearable. And I'm adding Mod Podge Extreme Glitter to all of the white little fluffy parts on the Grinch's hat and collar. Such a cool way just to add a little bit of sparkle to your design. All right, let's get started. I'm using wood earring blanks. You can buy these in bulk. These adorable Grinch stickers. You're gonna need 2 sheets matching for each pair of earrings. And then I'm base coating each of the wood pieces with folk art paint. I'm using 3 different colors of green. Of course, you can do whatever colors you want, just match to your stickers. For this, I'm just gonna go ahead and coat the entire earring with the green paint. And this is multi-surface paint, so it's gonna work awesome on the wood. And once it's dry, I'm gonna do a second coat. Just one more coat onto the wood earring, and make sure you get those edges also. And you are gonna wanna paint the backside. For sake of time, I'm not gonna paint the backside today. Next, we're going to attach our stickers, and I like to use a little tweezer just to help me with my placement so I can get it good and centered. Press down with your finger and then really smooth down with your finger. So go ahead and make a pair. You can see that I did all sorts of stickers. These Grinch stickers are just so cute, but you could do any holiday and any holiday themed stickers or characters. If your sticker goes over the edge a tiny bit, don't worry about that. You can just trim that away. So once you have them all stickered, you're gonna be ready to use your Mod Podge. I'm using gloss for this because I wanted a bit of a shiny look. And you're gonna start by just adding your Mod Podge gloss over the entire front of the earring. You can coat the back of it as well if you want to, but you would need to do that after the front is completely dried. So I'd go ahead and get a bunch of the Mod Podge on there, and then I'm going to just pick it up in my hand, hold it by the edges, and smooth all of my brush strokes so that they're going in one direction. Next, I'm doing some extreme glitter. This looks like regular Mod Podge, but it's got tons of micro glitter in there. So it's not gonna flake off. It's gonna dry clear, but super sparkly. So I'm just adding that to the parts of the sticker where I wanna highlight all of his little white fur. You can add lots of embellishments on top. I'm just using Mod Podge to glue down. So I'm gonna add some dots of glue where I wanna add some gems. And then you can see you can just glue right onto the earrings. So let's add a few little gems here and there. You can add glitter. You can add whatever you want. So let's do some of those little clay slices. You can pick up embellishments like these at all of the different craft stores, and of course online as well. So just add a little bit of your Mod Podge, and then let's add some of those little tiny fake peppermints. Now we're gonna use some jump rings and ear wires to turn them into earrings. It's 2 jump rings and the ear wire. We'll start by opening up our larger jump ring, and that's a side motion. You're gonna go ahead and put that through the hole on the earring. Then you're gonna close that up, and to that, you're going to attach a small jump ring and the ear wire. So you can see I've got the little small jump ring there opened and the ear wire, and then we're gonna just place that into the jump ring that is on the wood earring base. You do wanna make sure that you're going the right direction with your ear wire so that it will hang the proper direction. So cute. I love how these turned out. Can you imagine just some stickers and a little Mod Podge and you got yourself a bunch of earrings. All right, I'll be back here next week with another fun project to share with you. And until then, have a super crafty week. Was that my dog? Did my dog just come flying through the scene? See you next week.